Okay, continuing on in that same building we just showed you over here. This is also a original Hemi Charger, 1970. Not sure how long ago it was restored. It came in with a crate Hemi. He got the original Hemi and 4-speed with it when he bought it. We freshened all that up and just did the quick motor swap. Very cool original car. I think it's been like one repaint, but not really a restored car. There's a 70 Challenger RT that we will have at McCacken also this year. Plum Crazy Purple, white top, white stripe, 383, 4-speed, air, power windows, 8-track, rear defog. Going to be outstanding for, a 383 Challenger. 70 Charger RTSE, again in for some light maintenance work. It's been sitting for a while, fix a few things. F8 green, tan interior, again power windows, automatic. RTSE. This is a 68 Charger. It's not an RT. It had a stroked out 400 in it that needed to be made a little more mild. He wants to do power tour type things with it. Motor is out getting rebuilt now. It's got a Kiesler 5-speed, adding air conditioning, fuel injection, that stuff. We did not restore this one. We're just doing some maintenance for a customer that we do a lot of work for. So everybody's going to ask what this room is. This is where we do sandblasting. We can keep it controlled over here inside this room. We got an exhaust fan, well lit. And just, keep the dirt in there. It makes it so we don't have to worry about weather. We can do it year round. Just a quick pan around shelving of parts. Obviously a bird nose, a Daytona nose. We do have another Daytona we're working on. It's out being dipped right now. Same customer as the Hurricane bird that we're working on. Those are all parts for various cars that we're restoring. Again, this is a place to put the big stuff so you don't have it around the car. And then all those shelves there are all the small parts that you accumulate that you need when you're bolting something together, that you can, find a bracket or a bolt or something small there that, you need. And just general, the big stuff up top, seats, fenders. If we get an AMD shipment in, we can put it up there out of the way. And, these days you got to order it way before you need it because you don't know how long it's going to take to get. Anyway, there's a quick walk around of this is building number 2. They say this building was put up in 2023, and as you see, quickly filled up.